Well, guys, Utirelo says the way her and Umalele's relationship is, there's nothing that he doesn't tell her. And I've just been thinking, Vuyokazi, even from the previous season, has been complaining about how Umpumelelo handled his polygamy and how certain things she used to say, or she had said in season 1, that there's certain things that Utirelo, because she's in Cape Town or in the Western Cape or in a different province, she is kind of like sidelined. And because Utirelo is this side in more closer, I guess more closer to him. I don't really know because I'm not so sure where Umpumelelo like stays. But she says there's a lot of things that they get to do and get to discuss that make her feel left out. And I'm just thinking, is this maybe part of the stuff that Vuyokazi was talking about? Because if Tirelo's claiming, guys, that there's nothing that Mpumelelo doesn't tell her, would that possibly mean that even when it comes to their plans, even with this whole thing of taking a virgin wife, that Utirelo possibly knew about it? Even this whole thing of Umpumelelo wanting to restructure his positionings of his woman, could it be that Utirelo knew about Vuyokazi's demotion from Umamkulu to second wife? Because I'm like, the way Utirelo's behaving, so cool, calm, and collected, there's a possibility that this girl all along knew that Umpumelelo wanted to restructure his whole temple. And given like the type of vibes that Utirelo is giving, she's kind of giving the vibes Ziga Tobile. Remember, Tobile basically claims that by the time Umayeni actually got married to Umosa, she was actually in the picture as in she was a girlfriend already. And basically, Utobile gives off vibes that there's a lot of things that she is willing to sacrifice within her marriage, just so that she can push the vision of the marriage. So I'm starting to even ask myself, if Utirel is not giving those vibes, if Utirel is just basically like, you know what, I'm going to be this man's piece and I came into this knowing very well what I came into, and I'm just going to understand the vision or try and be sympathetic towards the vision. So then that means Umpumelelo is much more susceptible, or he's much more comfortable communicating like his vision regarding like his whole Stembu situation. Hi guys, I'm just like Utirela, the way she mentioned that comment, she knew very well like what it meant, and I feel like she knew very well that it was gonna give off the vibes that even like this whole Mam Kulu and taking a virgin as a wife, she knew about it all along. And I'm just kind of like feeling for Vuyokazi, because I'm starting to think about the stuff that she used to say about how she'd be left out, how she can see like she's the one, it's like they do things between them and stuff like that. Now it's like she's the one who's like coming into their relationship, whereas it was the other way around. I really do hope, because that is not nice, you guys. So I really do hope with Vuyokazi did say that she has broken up with Umpumelelo, and she said that she is not going to continue in that whole polygamy for as long as she's not made wife number 1. I truly do hope Vuyokazi chooses herself, because at this point, I just see, honestly, I know it's a lot for me to say that I think that Umpumelelo doesn't love Vuyokazi, but the way things are going, I feel like even if he marries her, he'd be marrying her for the sake of doing the right thing, for the sake of, or the fact that she has kids. But I'm not seeing the spark, you guys. I understand. I understand, because if he truly respected her as his first girlfriend, then wouldn't he kind of omit certain things from Utirelo? I don't understand, guys. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think, but I really do think Vuyokazi, chooses herself and really walks away from this forever, no matter how much they beg her, no matter how much Msele would tries and beg her, because at this point, Utirela will always be riding on the fact that she knows everything. And probably it might be like that for as long as Tirelo seems kind of like unbothered with the whole thing of positions, as long as she's in the man's life, like Utobile, like the vibes that Utobile gives. Anyway, guys, again, please don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.